Volume 1.
Oh my gosh. And Mika, join me.
And you said not to what?
Not like to
Oh, oh.
it's random. To play with volumes. I
What
kicked
do you
him out.
mean? Okay, I'll put 1 volume 1.
80 degrees with sunny skies. Expect temperatures to drop tonight.
Click the
Around
button.
26 degrees with light rain. Click the button left.
As minion.
Oh. Hello.
Ingay? I must
I
have
must
fallen
have fallen.
asleep on the couch again. My stomach is... I should get something to eat. Ito.
Nagutom agad.
Chips. Chips for noodles.
Why is it so dark?
I can't
Gusto
see
may
it.
ilaw. No.
Oh, cereal.
I eat cereal.
I feel rushed.
Yummy.
Yummy. You can
Nope.
noodle around with cereal. Dot. I bet some water would hit the spot right now. Ooh, what
Why
type
are
of
you
spot?
just feeding this damn person?
Oh, we drink water from the tap.
Refreshing.
Tap
It's-
water is crazy.
It's 10
I
a.m.
remember now. How do you know?
Oh, excuse me.
This
Last
year.
night, mom and dad left for the weekend. Oh, we're home alone? That's crazy. The whole thing was so sudden. Why would you leave a child home alone? And very correct.
Oh my gosh, it's so dark.
It's on the fridge, right?
Isn't this?
Okay, that's easy. This one.
Easy.
This one, yeah.
I can't see anything, bro. Your avatar's so fat.
Wait, the text is so noisy though.
You're a fat chud, bro.
I'm sorry. Oh, ice cream te. Ay, hindi. Last night. Oy, he wants to make out. Oh, I'm joking. Okay, that's kind of concerning. Why is he
I
Why is
think
he hitting?
we're a
Oh,
boy.
nerd. Oh, we're
Can't
a
stand
boy.
that guy.
Well, you never know. It could be a little heated rivalry. Leave one unheard message.
Do we live in a farm?
Horse? How do we have a whole big horse here?
There's a literal barn. Finally. Why is the minion not moving?
I think the minion's the true horror. This is why.
I'm making fun.
Who would want to live here? You have no neighbors.
I know. Why do you have to think that? You bitch.
Oh, what sound?
Benson's here.
Yo, my babes.
Benson,
babes.
Papa.
It's my babes.
Oh.
Where's the car?
No.
Oh, it's no.
Where's Benson?
Whoa.
Whoa.
Strange papers.
It looks so bad in low quality, actually.
Fallen Angels. Wow, aesthetic.
Store the papers.
Where?
Well, wouldn't your bedroom be upstairs? What the frick am I seeing? Kendra, go up there.
Hell no.
Kendra!
Hell
What?
no.
Where?
Hell no.
Bakit?
Go up.
Ano ba? I don't wanna go.
We'll go with you. We'll go with you.
Go.
Ayaw na switch game na gago.
We'll go with you. Look, we're going up.
Is there a jump scare?
No,
I
it's
don't
not a
know.
jump scare. I don't know what that is.
No, but it's there. It's right already there. You can see it.
I can't see anything.
Oh.
Si Michael Jackson, pre.
I can't see anything.
Look forward. Look at the hallway.
Ayoko. Ikaw na.
Where?
Look to your left.
Wala ba? Ay, madilim ba? May ilaw?
Well, Carmela, you're still in the
Where?
staircase. Hala, nawala.
Mm.
Wait, what?
Oh.
It only
Oh,
appears if you turn the lights off. Well,
okay,
anyways.
Wait, hindi to totoo. Hindi to totoo.
you bitch.
Carmela, go out. Let's go.
Bro,
Find
whose
the
room
room.
is
Wait.
This is
Uy,
probably
uy,
Chris's room.
stop.
Mama, alam kung ano yung
Locked.
ito.
Ay,
Uy, uy.
Complete homework. Edi balik tayo. Hindi
ano
na.
ba yan? I'm lagging so much. Oh my gosh, my head is bobbling. Oh my god. Wait for me. How do I turn the head bubble off? Ay, naku.
Uy.
Kendra, ano ba?
Press V to unlock yung... What is your
What
name?
is your name? What's your name?
Am I Henry? Henry.
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 Divides to 4.
Or
1 is 9 divided by 2. 2, 4. Choose
what's the next subject? Biology?
Biology.
What is this called?
My
Chlorophyll.
okay. Oh,
Putik, mali!
ano ba?
Chlorophyll. Are DNA similar to that of computer code?
No. Right?
Close! Putik.
I
Wait! How many cells are contained within just one eye?
I don't know.
Wait, ano ba? Which question are we on?
How many cells are contained within just one eye?
The million.
Oh my gosh, I'm lagging. Okay. True.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh.
But my countdown.
I'm scared.
Wait,
I'm not looking.
stop.
Oh my gosh, I hate this.
I don't like this.
Nice. This is better, wow. Finish homework, ay? Di pa yun tapos?
Meron pa?
Magpa-party ba tayo?
Yo.
I guess I should answer it. This is us in, midday, guys.
I'm breathing.
Kanina yan.
Hello? I'm breathing.
You have
Very nice house. Naku, may
you
stalker.
have a very nice
Open
house.
all the windows.
Aren't you supposed to close it? Stupid. Ano ba yan? Kitang-kita tayo.
Okay, close all the blinds, I swear. Everyone, close the damn blinds.
Guys, the blinds in our room is opened.
Okay, go.
Hindi pa tapos?
Putik.
Oh, hell no. Guys, come in. Close the door. Close the door.
Turn off.
I'm lagging.
Uy! Guys!
No.
Investigate. Wala, ayoko.
We need to go down.
Wait, guys, we have free will. We can just not.
Yo.
Okay,
Who wants to
Demanding.
sacrifice? Wait,
we have to go. We have no choice. Let's go.
That's...
I'm not scared.
Baka si ano lang, yung kapitid natin, no?
Ano ba yan? Binasag.
Babasagin niya yung buong bahay para pumasok.
I'm scared.
It's our window here. Damn, how did you break it that bad?
So that means they're inside, aren't they?
Yeah, probably. But where?
Ano yung investigate?
What happened in here? Tell me when they get back. Girl, that's your first concern.
That's the first thing she's thinking about.
Oh. Wow, we really cleaned it. We didn't even question it.
Wow.
There we go.
Grabe yung sipag naman na to.
I'm lagging. Okay, lock in. Ay, wow, okay. Nice. Look
No,
behind you.
Please. Please.
To take a... Hello. Say dot.
Bro, I said hello.
Oh, frick you.
I've been tired lately. Say
I don't know
very.
that.
Dot.
Oh, hell no.
No, I don't.
It's a 3.
No.
Uno yan.
Yun nga, no? Fallen angel.
Are you giving away the answer?
Fallen angel.
Punyeta, ayoko na.
I'm not even looking anymore. I'm just
I'm
cooking.
closing my eyes. I'm closing my eyes and taking off my ear, ano?
It's 3 a.m. Rough at this. Oh no! It's almost midnight.
I was closing my eyes for what?
Feed the animals. Just let them starve. Just let them
Oh my
starve.
gosh, eto. Is Carmela still in the thing?
Kendra, you're so big.
Ano?
F
Ayun.
Y.
Why are we feeding the horse now? Are we stupid?
Because we forgot to feed it. Because we took a little
Okay, so
nap.
let it die at this point.
Go
Ayoko.
back.
Ayoko na.
Go
Ayoko na.
back.
Ayoko na. 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 Ayoko na.
Nice.
Okay, wait. I'm gonna turn my graphics to the lowest.
Nakakainis ka.
Let's
Hindi
go.
ko maano. Can we admire this art?
Ano ba? Come down. This is Stranger
Why are we opening?
Danger.
Why are we?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh! Why are we opening doors to
No,
strangers?
no.
Stranger danger. This is Stranger Danger 101.
What was my other
I
choice?
like it.
I'm sorry, I can't help you. I'm sorry, I can't help you.
This is
Um,
Stranger Danger.
Bro, I would actually die if this happened to
I
me.
pissed myself.
Me too. Wait, wait.
Did he just choke himself?
Girl, I know you're faking it. Chill.
He's coming for us.
Oh, that face looks so familiar. Oh, so did we ignore that?
What happened? I really think it's a prank right now. Something's in the kitchen.
My soda.
Bro,
There's something in the kitchen.
No, it went away though.
ayoko nga.
Ano ba? It went away.
No, it's out the window.
The
Look,
window? What do you mean?
look there.
There's nothing.
Yes, it
Mm.
is.
Girl, you're just seeing
Are you
stuff.
seeing things?
Wait, can you walk outside?
Ano ba? What do you mean? Come with me. Looks better
Wait,
this way.
please keep your flashlight on, bro. Oh. Ay, syempre, kinuha para hindi ka makatakas. Oh,
Right.
Ayoko nga.
hell no.
Guys, let's go. Actually, let's see.
Dapat dumiretso na lang tayo, no?
And
Here.
horses. Oh,
Kabayo. Oh
our
my god.
horses got skinned alive.
Oh, what? Oh, that's the horse? What the? That did not look like a horse. Well,
Where are the horses to?
Ay, Diyos ko.
so we have to walk back or
Maglalakad ulit.
Let's go. Run,
Okay,
run,
lead the
run.
way. Lead the way.
Sail.
I let myself in. Oh,
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 um,
hell no.
um.
Hell no. Do you see that? Hell no. Oh no.
Okay, guys,
Why,
let's
why,
go.
Carmela,
why?
you wanna walk?
I don't see anything.
Okay,
I'm just
go.
looking at the ground.
Go. Go. Rika,
Why?
don't you dare.
I don't wanna look.
It's gonna chase us.
No, it went away. It went away.
Irish marks. Oh, hell
Oh my
no.
god.
Ay, pusa.
Go, go.
Tiger marks.
Hallucination.
She's making up every excuse. Oh my
I know. Like, if we just look at the facts. Search that. Bro, hell no. Hell no.
No.
Hell no.
Guys, come on.
Hell no. If I have a hell no counter, that's probably 100. Hell no. Okay, you take the way. You lead the way. So, tulog na lang ulit tayo.
Okay,
Kumain
tulog
na
na.
tayo.
Reminds me though, what?
Ano naman
Hmm. Sabi
Magkukulat
niyang
na
alam.
naman siya.
Puyat ka ng puyat. Masama yun. Masama.
Oo.
Sige.
Sige,
Husband
sige.
hours and the car still hurting.
I'm
It's probably
scared.
us. It's about us, no?
I'm covering my eyes.
Tension. Comprehension naman, all media is, ano,
What?
Section 1. The following summary of events and information was written by Dr. Alan Fletcher. Oh, it's the monsters. They created the monsters.
Uy!
What?
I'm checking
I
corners.
locked myself inside the
Ano
room.
ba
I'm
yan?
checking corners. I'm checking.
What
What
the?
the? What
What
the?
the?
Oh, hell no.
Oh, hell nah.
Oh, hell no. Oh, hell no. You're going by yourself. Hell, bro, hell no.
Girl,
Hell
this
no.
is where Harry Potter lived in.
Henry Potter. Hell no. It's so dark.
Go.
Hell no. Punyeta.
What was that?
Skip the beat. Parang multiple beats.
Yeah, you have to learn the consequences of your freaking actions. You freaking bitch.
Girl, they have an EMF reader. That's a sign.
Oh, hell no.
Oh my gosh, Carmela left. Shalabagahiwa. Shalabagahiwa. Anabato ko naman. Anabato ko naman. Sarang siriya yung Shinonogaiwa. Okay, just leave.
It's so scary.